Wolfsong.
I am from the kingdom of Kamoa. There we are ruled by both the Horn and the Black Wind. However, our only gods are the stars over our heads. We are children born from ice and steel, with blood that runs hot even when flesh sparkles with rime. Like all women of Kamoa, on my 14th summer I was given a choice to become a woman of the land, or to forever pledge myself to the steel. It is a choice few give thought to, as their minds are often settled early in life. Most choose the land. But to be honest, planting crops all summer and making babies all winter didn't stir interest in me. I craved something else. I trained with the runer for 5 years. They taught me to use sword, an axe and shield, and how to taste the air like the white wolf. But soon it would be my time to take the task, to finally become a true daughter to the steel. My task was a simple one, or so it seemed when falling from commanding mouth. Find a city in need of a warrior, and give them one. No, I should keep heading south into the Vanaran lowlands. I cannot return home until my task is complete, until I am worthy of the steel.
This is as far as I can take you. From here, you're officially on task. Return when you have completed said quest.
Thank you, Niels. I will return only when the deed has been completed.
May the crows watch your path, and the wolves your back.
I'm sorry, but no one is allowed in or out of the village at this time.
Being this close to the Materia Peaks, it really inspires. They're far more impressive than the Brigand Mountains.
I suppose so. They're far colder, at least.
Huh? Don't mind me. I'm just looking for something to eat.
I'll see what I can find.
Anything will do. I'm not picky.
Are you from Ebimark?
No.
No, I think I remember you. Never mind. We see you have come down from Kamaula. You are on your warrior's task, no?
I am.
We wish you luck. These lands are plagued by wrongs that need to be righted.
Thank you very much.
We hope that your future travels are safe. Be careful.
Yours as well.
I'm just passing through. I'm hauling goods from Turnish.
T-Born's throat. Just not right now. Do you think my friend here's had enough? I think he's had enough.
Ah, a runer down from the peaks, eh?
I am.
What do you need?
What about broth? Fermented mare's milk?
Oh, I don't know about that.
How's this?
Thanks. This is great. I found this. I don't know what it is, but you can have it.
Oh?
Thank you.